going on, guys? Whew. Another video here. We're on the Grom again. So, you know, I love this thing. So today's video is actually gonna be a little different. We're not gonna be reviewing or installing anything. First thing that you do when you get a bike, any bike, is actually you need to learn how to ride it. If you don't know, obviously. So what I decided to do is make a video. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show how to ride a motorcycle, but I wanted to record my own, and maybe it's more helpful than the other ones. Right now, what I'm going is I'm just going to an empty parking lot. Today's Martin Luther King, so it should be empty. It's usually pretty empty, but today should be completely empty. So let's see what we got. I'm sorry guys if my voice sounds weird, but I've been like super fucking sick lately. This weather has just been killing me. Okay, well, it is pretty full, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna record the video for you guys. Let's see. Okay. Hello, lady. Jesus, can you go any slower? Got a video to make. This looks like a good spot, doesn't it? Alright, well, let's get set up. Alright guys, so here it is. I know it's really dirty, but anyways, let's get to the point. So first thing when you get a motorcycle, first thing you do is obviously get on. So usually you get on the side that the kickstand is on. So you just get on, grab on the handlebars, get comfortable. Once you're comfortable and the bike is balanced, you go ahead and put that kickstand up. Go ahead and turn on the key. Once you turn on the key and the engine light comes on, I usually wait until the engine light goes away and then I turn it on. The turn on button is usually on the right side, and it has like a lightning bolt and a circle. So let's hit it. You hold it until it turns on. It is on. Okay. Now, once it's turned on, let me explain it a little bit. All the buttons that you have in here. Right hand side, throttle. Front brake. This is a kill switch. I never use it. I usually just turn the key, but you can use it if you want. Ignition. On this side, you have turn signals. You turn it one side. You turn it the other side. To turn it off, you push it in. Horn, pretty straightforward. You hit the button, the horn goes off. And this is the high beam light, on and off. You'll see on the screen, blue is on, nothing is off, obviously. Left hand side, this is just a grip. It doesn't move anywhere, not like the other one that is throttle. And then here you have the clutch. Now, clutch is on bikes. If you get a scooter, you will have two levers like on this one, but they will be brake. Both of them will be brakes. So this one's clutch. If you push it in, you can move the bike. See? If you press this one, you can't move the bike. Alright. Now that I covered all the controls, let's get to it. First thing you do is you balance. Once the bike is balanced, first thing you do is you get the clutch in, you press it in all the way, and you're gonna go to your left side. So the left side, here, you have the foot peg, and you have this lever. That lever's the gears. Down is first. Now half click up is neutral, right? And then the next click up is second. Then third, then fourth. If you want to go to first again, let's say that you go on a stop sign or a red light, you have to click down all the way down until you feel that you're not clicking anymore, okay? If you wanted to go to neutral, you push it all the way down to first and then half click up. And remember that N on the dashboard is going to turn green. That's how you know that you're in neutral. On this side, pretty straightforward. Foot peg, back brake. You hit this lever down, the back brake is going to engage. Do not push it really far down, really fast, really hard, because it's going to lock the back wheel and you're going to drift. Same thing with the front. always, always, always use both brakes. Always. Do not lock the front wheel, because you're going to go down. What's going to happen? When you lock the front wheel, your wheel is going to turn to one side because it locked, and you're going to go down. Trust me, it's happened to me. So always, always, always use both sides. More the back brakes, they usually say it's 70% in the back, 30% in the front, but however you feel more comfortable. But do not only use the front brake. So let's get to it. You go to your gears and you push down. Now remember, the gears are, it's right here, neutral, down is 1, so first gear, and then the lever goes automatically up again. So now you're in first gear. Then when you go to shift to second, you pull the clutch in, and with your foot you press up. You're gonna hear 2 clicks. You're gonna be on first, you're gonna hit up, and it's gonna go click, click. That means it's going through neutral to second. Then once you go to third, you're gonna hear 1 click. And once you go to fourth, you're gonna hear 1 click again. That's on this bike. This bike only has 4 gears. Usually, big bikes have 6. So again, first gear down, the rest go up. When you go to second, you're gonna hear 2 clicks. When you go to any other gear after second, it's only gonna be 1 click. So let's get to it. See the N in green? That means we're neutral. So we put the clutch in, push down the lever, and now we're in first. Now, if I let the clutch out really slowly, I'm gonna feel how the bike starts going forward. That means that first gear is engaged. Okay? Now there's 2 ways to ride a motorcycle. One, and this is how I learned when I got my license. You can let the clutch out until it starts moving a little bit, and then you start giving it gas. And you're gonna feel how the bike starts going. And as you give it gas, you let the clutch lever go. Okay? Now, another option is you have first gear, your clutch is in, you start giving it gas first, and then let the clutch out really slowly. If you think you're doing it slow, do it even slower, because you have to let it go really slowly. If not, it's gonna stall. If I let it go too fast, look what happens. You see that? It stalled. Nothing happens, nothing's wrong with it, you're not gonna die. It's just the bike is gonna turn off. Then you get the clutch in again and hit the ignition button, and it turns on. Now, the second option is you give it gas, a little bit of gas, and you let the clutch go really slowly. And you're gonna end up going. Once you get some speed, let it go all the way. For second gear, you're going to let go of the gas, put the clutch in, and you're gonna go up. You're gonna hit 2 clicks. Click, click. And same thing, you're gonna give it some gas and let the clutch out slowly. Okay? Now, for third gear, same thing. Let go of the gas, clutch in, lever up, you're gonna hit 1 click, you give it some gas, and the clutch goes out. There you go. Okay, now let's go back to the spot. Now, once you get the hang of it, you're gonna do it obviously really fast. You're just gonna let go, clutch in. As soon as you put the clutch in, lever goes up, and you hit gas and let go of the clutch at the same time. Now, keep in mind again, if you let the clutch out really fast, your bike is gonna stall. And again, nothing's gonna happen if you stall your bike. It's gonna happen. When you're learning, it's gonna happen, so don't worry about it. It's like when you're riding a bike and you fall, it's the process. You're gonna fall. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, consider subscribing, consider liking it, comment how I can make better videos, whatever you guys want. At the end of the day, I'm here for you guys to help you out. So whatever you guys think that I can do to make it better, I will listen to you guys and make it better. Anyways, key points to take out. Real important things. Only let the clutch out when you're in neutral. If not, your bike's gonna stall. Second, always use both brakes. Always. If not, if you're going too fast and you hit the front brakes too hard, your front wheel is gonna lock and you're most likely gonna go down. I've done it before. It's not fun, trust me. I didn't get hurt or anything, but the bike gets all scratched up. So yeah, and let me tell you, these bikes are not cheap. So just use both brakes and apply more pressure to the back one. Okay, that was point 2. Point 3. When you are going to shift from first gear to second, remember there is 2 clicks. If you only hear one, that means you are in neutral. If you're in neutral and you let the clutch out and give it gas, you're not gonna go anywhere. You're gonna stay in the same spot. So remember, after first, it is 2 clicks, okay? Just take it slow, and trust me, you will get it. You will do these things without even realizing it. You will shift faster. You will know when to shift to second, to third, to fourth, to first, when to put it in neutral, when you'll know everything. But at the beginning, you're gonna have to do these things slowly, and you're gonna think about them, and you're not gonna do them as fast. So just take your time. When you understand how the bike is gonna react when you do certain things, is when you're gonna be a good rider. Because, and it doesn't come just from buying a bike and riding it one day. You're literally gonna have to do it a lot. You're gonna have to ride a lot, so you understand it. Understand that if I'm on second gear and I let the clutch out, the bike is gonna stall, and I'm gonna have to put the clutch in, hit the ignition. If I don't put the clutch in and I just hit the ignition, the bike is not gonna start if you're in second gear, or any gear by that matter. It is a journey, guys, so enjoy it. Be safe out there. Always wear a helmet or some kind of protective gear. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys liked it. Consider subscribing, liking it, whatever you guys want to do. And I will see you guys on the next one. See you guys.